Upgrade 400 watts Power Inverter provides 400 watts continuous DC to AC power and 600 watts of peak power. This car power inverter features dual 110 volts AC outlets and 2 USB ports, great for charging string lights, laptop, breast pump, CPAP machine, nebulizer, game console, Kindle, DVD players, lights, iPhones, iPad, and other electronic devices. Fast charging dual 110 volts AC outlets can charge larger devices such as laptops and tablets or plug in a new adapter for more charging needs. 2 USB charging ports, 0 to 2.4A can automatically detect your devices to deliver optimal charging speed, a good choice as requisite car accessories. Double protection mechanism Smart chip plus built-in fuse double protection mechanism.Safe charging design provides protection against overheating, under and over voltage charging, short-circuiting, overloads, and overcharging. Once the product detects a fault by itself, the inverter will automatically turn off the current output and light up a red light to remind the user. Portable design for journey iPhone-sized design ideal for use on vacations, work trips, and camping. 24-inch cigarette lighter plug makes the power inverter can be plugged into almost any vehicle. The length of the cord is 19.68 inch, easily reach the back seat, with fastening tape, which is more convenient to keep. Smart Premium Cooling Effect durable metal housing provides advanced protection from drops and bumps. Built-in silent automatic temperature-controlled cooling fan helps reduce heat and prevent shortages. What you get: Gello 400 watts car power inverter, user manual, 18 months warranty and 24 hours customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect to keep in my car and powerful. I love having this inverter in my car. I used it this summer to blow up my camping mattress, charge devices and was unable to run a blender while I was tent camping. Lol.